Hi, everyone. Hey, Cheryl. Hi, Daryl. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Joni. Hi, Paul. Welcome. Hello, we are live. Excellent. We're live. Awesome. We live streaming. Is that what it means? Live streaming already? Hi, Sue. How are you? Hi, everyone. All right, we shall get started. Welcome. If you're in live, then feel free to message into the chat box and you can ask questions. I'll share my screen. And welcome to Simple Forex Setups, where I will be going through 10 currency pairs and looking at setups on the 4-hourly time frame. Oh, sorry, all the windows are in a different spot now. There we go. All right, we're going to start off with GBP USD. And GBP USD at the moment, I'm looking for short. So we are in that area. You know, we've had the long downtrend, and I was looking for the reversal, but at the moment, it is still looking like it's heading down. So I have enough room if the price action gets to the top of the previous trend line to actually take a trade short, and we have at least 1, 2, 3 even to the previous level of support, and possibly 1 to 2 to these previous lows. So if we do have a turnaround at that trend line, I'm going to look for short opportunities. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro USD, and Euro USD I'm looking for short. So on the daily, we're now underneath the previous level of support, now retesting as a level of resistance. The trend is still downwards, so I'm still looking for short opportunities. I would like to see the price action pull up a little bit to the previous highs, and then looking for short. Got some new people coming in. Hi, everyone. Hi, Alice. Hi, me. Welcome. Feel free to ask questions as I go along. The next currency pair I'm looking at is AUD-USD. And AUD-USD, I'm looking at long. So we've had the price go up, was last week. Now we've got the pullback on the daily. We're now above the previous level of resistance. So I'm looking for a retest to now this be the support. It could be at that level, the horizontal level, or at the previous, the trend line going up. So looking for any price action in this area to turn around and look for a long opportunity. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBP JPY. Now, GBP JPY is currently at the previous channel, and there is a level of decision. So previously it went below but straight back up. Here it closed below, but we had an engulfing bar straight back up. So we could, at around this point, have a decision. Either the price will continue to go up, or it will come back below the previous channel and now have that as the resistance and go down. So we need to see the price might be going sideways for a bit, especially with news coming out tomorrow morning. So we need to just wait and see where that price is going to decide to go. So we need a few more bars to see what is the actual price movement and a direction of that channel line. The next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro JPY, and here I'm looking for short. So on the daily, we're still in the downtrend. So looking for short at any reversal around the trend line. Next currency pair is USD JPY, and USD JPY is also at the moment at a decision point. So we've had the price come down, was in the downtrend, came below the previous channel, came back, didn't quite retest at the channel, and is now just hovering and going sideways. So we want to see where is that price going to go. My first preference would be that it comes back below the line, the previous trend, and continues down. But if that doesn't happen, it's currently looking like it's heading up. There's a bit of an indecision. We have a pin bar in the opposite direction, and this bar now, it hasn't finished, but it's looking like a pin bar at the moment, which is indecision, doesn't know whether to go up or down. So we just need to wait for a bit more price action there. The next currency pair I'm looking at is USD CAD, and USD CAD I'm looking for short. So on the daily, we've now had that price coming down off the top of the channel. On the 4 hourly, I'm looking for any reversals. Now we've turned a corner around from the top, so there might be opportunities there to take a short opportunity. The next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro AUD, and Euro AUD I'm looking at short. So here we are now underneath the previous level of support, which was retested as resistance. And now I'm just looking for any pullback and looking for short. So on the 4 hourly, the pullback, ideally, I would like to see above where the current price action is at the underneath the trend line, the 4 hour trend line. But also there's a little bit of resistance with this horizontal line. So there might be a reversal around that area as well. So in both cases, I'm looking for short. Next currency pair is Euro GBP, and Euro GBP I'm looking for short. On the daily, we're still in the downtrend. We had a push from the previous trend line. So looking for any further movement down, either at the top of that trend line or from the bottom of these previous lows as well, and just looking for short there. The next currency pair and the last one is GBP CAD, and GBP CAD I'm looking for short. So here we are in the downtrend below the previous level of support, now retested and made as resistance. So looking for short opportunities there to the downside. So here we prefer to see price action pull back a little bit further up, even possibly with this little trend line here, and then looking for short opportunities after that. All right, so that's the analysis for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will pop in the link for the Telegram channel. If you want to follow along, you can have a look at that Telegram channel for trade setups and trade management. All right, no questions. Thank you so much. And I look forward to seeing you again next Wednesday at 12 p.m. Singapore time. I'll see you.